South Dakota Mines for a forum on how things go from lab to market. Joining me now is Dani Mason and Dr. Tugba Ozdemir with more. So I want to start with, what is this event?
Absolutely. So this is a forum all about the future of healthcare innovation and regenerative medicine in South Dakota and beyond. We'll have panelists from Medtronic, a major Fortune 500, to biotech companies, startups, researchers at South Dakota Mines, and even hospitals like Monument, as well as B9 Creations, a 3D printing company there.
Yeah, that's really cool. And why is it important for it to come through South Dakota Mines?
Absolutely. There is innovation happening all over Rapid City. Pockets of research, startups spinning out of the university, and we need to create meaningful connections with industry, startups, research, policymakers, and more to bring the ecosystem to bear.
And Doctor, your company InnovaSkin is something that you've taken from lab to market yourself. What was that process like?
So I'm a professor in biomedical engineering, and we developed this new technology and patented about 4 years ago about wound healing and regenerative applications. And throughout this process, I went through our tech transfer office and started observing around myself and looking for ideas that could be suitable for launching this product. And InnovaSkin came out approximately like 1 year ago. And I pitched this to entrepreneurs in residence on campus. And since then, basically it's developing, and now we are preparing to launch our product sometime end of this year.
That is really, really exciting. And what's something that you kind of hope that people attending the forum will be able to take away from learning about your journey?
One thing that I pay very much attention is communicating and learning from the seasoned people. So we have a really great ecosystem here at School of Mines. So I want all the people who attend this event to start exploring this ecosystem so that they can understand inventing something is not about only producing the product. Bringing it to a market requires a lot of expertise in business, marketing, and even product development. So probably events like this will help all the researchers.
Yeah, for sure. And that kind of went right into my next question perfectly, which is for Dani. This is bringing together a lot of different people and a lot of different sectors. How are you hoping that this intersection of people is going to help this industry?
You have hospitals looking at better patient care. You have companies like InnovaSkin that need a support network to be able to bring products to market. And that's platform companies, biotech, Fortune 500s are going away from animal testing and need to figure out, how do I do this inside my space? So I'm really hoping it'll bring people together to have the conversations that are happening in rooms that they're not in, and be able to drive that innovation forward through intentional conversations, like Tugba mentioned with her company as well.
Yeah, and as we wrap up here, where can people find some more info, and when is this happening?
It's happening August 15th, 1 to 5 p.m. Space is limited, so you can go to b9c.com/South Dakota-bio-event and find more information there.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for joining me here bright and early.